Now my poor 3D printed model here of the USS Yarz was attacked and was defeated. I was told on our group that if you use some super glue or some crazy glue or Gorilla Glue would work. They said just a drop. So if I get this right, like you won't even see it here, but I need some help like taping it up. So my little wife's here to help me. They said just a drop. I like am worried. I also haven't used this type of glue in like forever. Yeah, okay. Alright.
Just didn't puncture it hard enough.
Yeah. You said a drop, that's more than a drop. Okay. Can you tape it?
Just gonna put. Just so I can see where I'm taping. Is that cool?
Yeah, I think so.
At least to hold it together while I continue to tape it down.
Actually, I think it's enough tape.
You sure?
Yeah, I think so.
I was gonna put some on the back side just.
No, I think it's good. Because you covered pretty much the whole crack. Alright. We'll find out in 24 hours how this works. I got tape on me and my wife. We'll find out in 24 hours. Rude. Well, it's been well over a day. I was sick. Yeah, finally I can motivate myself to take this off and look at it. Been scared. Yeah, alright. Oh, okay. So, there's a tiny, tiny seam. The tiniest seam here, which I'll take some pictures of. You can barely see it. On the bottom, which is where most of the damage happens, you can't see the seam. And I'm fine with that. I knew that was going to happen. But hey, yeah, the community came through. Nice.
A friend is a friend to the end of the end, that's forever.